Spot trading is one of the simplest ways to buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly at market prices. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, SuperEx makes it easy for everyone. First, download the SuperEx app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log into your account or create a new one if you're signing up for the first time. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Navigate to the Assets tab and click Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit and copy the wallet address. Transfer your funds and you're all set. Once your funds are ready, go to the Spot section on the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all the trading pairs and live market information. Select the trading pair you want to trade, such as BTC/USDT. Tap on it to view the price chart, order book, and trading options. When you're ready to trade, you have two options: a market order or a limit order. A market order lets you buy or sell instantly at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set your desired price. Enter the amount, review your details, and tap Buy or Sell. After placing your order, you'll receive a confirmation. To review your trades, check the Orders tab for your order history and status. And that's how you trade Spot on the SuperEx app. It's fast, secure, and incredibly easy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more crypto trading tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading with SuperEx.